about Temp-tations, and we showed you this earlier. It didn't come with this, but it comes with a pitcher, and it comes with the sugar and the creamer and the salt and pepper shaker, etc., and the bamboo Lazy Susan. But we're leaving that there because this is really what I want to talk about. This is a really awesome table runner. This actually has the whimsical characters on it. Remember when we did the set of 4 mugs in this show, and we had Whimsy the reindeer, we had Penny the penguin, and we still had the gingerbread man. Snowman had sold out. But how cute is this? This may be what you put at your kitchen table. This may be what's at the kids' table. It may just be for the grown-ups who have a kid-like attitude, which I like. So let's go right now. I want to show you all the different ones to choose from, because these can be a little more holiday-ish, or they can be great for any day, really. That one is called Whimsy, and that definitely is more of a Christmas one. There's only 300 of those to go around. Then we take a look at the next one, which is the Patriotic, and that's got the fireworks and the red, white, and blue, etc. There's 250 of those to go around. Black Friday sale priced and free shipping and handling. That's the old world pattern in the black. So you can see it has little yellow. There's 200 of those to go around. Then we also have that old world pattern in the blue, which is what is in my house. I've got all the blue in the old world pattern. Then we have the green, which is where it all started. 450 of those. And then we go to the confetti. Now, confetti mixes a bunch of colors, but you'll see the blue on the edge, and then you've got the pinks, the greens, the yellows, the blues, all in that one. So if you want a multicolor, get the confetti. And then we also have it in the red. Now, here's what I love about this, is that there are a lot of different runners you can buy out there, but many times the fabric isn't very washable. Well, if it's on my table, it's gonna get dirty, you know, absolutely. So this one is washable. I want to bring in Lisa Lasorte once again, because Lisa, this is really beautiful, but until today, I hadn't felt it. And now I understand why this is gonna wash up so beautifully.
Yeah, Mary Beth, when we talk about linens, the devil's in the details for sure. And to make a fine quality linen at this amazing value is really quite a feat. So first we start at the end. Let's just talk about the size.
Yeah.
It's 72 inches. So what I love about that, I'm going to hold it all the way up, is way taller than I am, right? So we love this because it will fit a table for 4, a table for 6, a table for 8, an oval, a round, a rectangle. You can see I have it here on my island.
Yeah.
But what makes this so special is, Mary Beth, when you flip it over, my grandmother always taught me how to find out about fine linens. This has the beautiful muslin backing, yet it is still machine washable, which is just amazing. The front side of it actually has a nice sheen. That's because it's stain resistant on the front side. So great point, Mary Beth. You're going to put this on your Christmas table or your everyday table. It's going to get stained. It's impossible not to.
Right.
So the question is, how are we going to clean it up? Put it right in the dishwasher. And Mary Beth, while you're right there, look at the embroidered snowflakes.
Yeah. Wow.
The details in this, with the edging of the saturation of color, the embroidered snowflakes, the colorful patterns, and whether we're talking about the Whimsy, which is the one that you and I both have,
Right.
or the classic, which you showed earlier, actually incorporates both old world and floral lace, so you don't have to choose.
You know what? It's interesting that you say that, because as it was going by, there was something that caught my eye. That was the floral lace, little swirls. So basically, it's polyester on the top and cotton on the back. And then and there's some rayon in here as well. But anyway, how do we care for it? What would you recommend?
It's hard to believe, but put it right in the washing machine. No problem at all. That's what's so great about it, right? I do hang mine to dry. I put it over my shower.
Yeah.
But you can tumble dry it low. I just tend to hang it so that I don't have to press it.
Yeah.
You can steam it or just give it a quick iron, or honestly, because of the polyester, you don't need to. Right. But this is
Beautiful.
quality. This is beautiful. And these are the pieces, Mary Beth, like every year you pull them back out, right?
Yeah,
And they're memories
absolutely.
on your table.
I just want to tell you, it's 14 inches wide, 72 inches long, as we said. These are also great again above the upright piano. So put them on the top of the piano and then put your decorations. In the meantime, let's show you what we have. Lisa, thank you so much. We're going to show the designs. And we also have that in the red. There you see Old World and Floral Lace. That's the confetti design. We also have it in the green. We have it in the blue. We have it in the black. We have it in the Patriotic. And we have it in the Whimsy. And that is definitely the Christmas design.